Well, friends, to say we've been busy is an understatement. Cleaned up my little backdrop. New season, new look. I don't know what we're gonna call it, but it's brighter. I've got more room to work with the laser and a bunch of other things. Excited, really excited. We got a bunch of little pins that I finished off. My great little fuck off kitties. I love them. A nice little one that we made for America's birthday. Just a bunch of other ones. My therapy box. Now I got to get back into the work box. Just want to make a small little video, just to let you know I am coming back. We are gonna do good giveaways. This is actually uh, the stars to the flag that I've got to create for July's giveaway. And if you've been on the channel for any amount of time, you know that the only thing you're gonna do is one, subscribe, and two, comment on any video within the last month. Um, may end up switching that up for season 2 coming soon. Uh, just it gets a little hard to track from week to week and month to month of who actually follows the rules for the giveaway. For the most part, we've been pretty good. Um, Other times, it just takes a lot to go through and figure out who did what when. But my Saturday is going to consist of stars on stars on stars. And then I've got some painting I've got to do. I've got some ribbons I've got to make. Because there is no slowing down with our ribbons, which, again, it's not a bad problem to have. I enjoy making them. I enjoy, you can see in the backdrop, one of the first ones that I made. One of the newer ones that I made is actually in my office. I just like making them. I like showing off service. Not just mine, but everybody's. But we are coming back. Bye.